If this morning feels quiet but full of plans, responsibilities, or unspoken expectations, pause here before the day begins moving through you. There is nothing you need to solve yet. This moment is simply about arriving inside yourself. I'm Rhea Rivers, guiding you through this gentle morning grounding. By the end of this meditation, your breath will feel steadier, your body more awake without tension, and your mind clearer without pressure. Take a slow breath in through your nose, allowing the inhale to rise naturally. Exhale through the mouth, as if setting down yesterday before stepping forward. If you'd like a place to return to when you need calm, you're welcome to subscribe. Again, inhale gently and exhale fully, letting the jaw soften, the shoulders drop, the hands unclench. Now imagine yourself stepping outside into the early morning light. The air is cool, clear, and unhurried. The world hasn't asked anything of you yet. Sunlight stretches slowly across the ground, touching buildings, trees, and open spaces, reminding everything that the day unfolds gradually. Breathe in, feeling the quiet energy of beginning. Exhale, noticing how your body responds when it doesn't need to rush. Ahead of you, a wide path opens forward. It isn't crowded with outcomes. It doesn't demand certainty. It simply invites your presence. Pause here, and a gentle understanding begins to form. The day does not need to be controlled to go well. It needs to be met. Inhale slowly. Exhale with ease. Repeat quietly in your mind, I'm allowing this day to meet me one moment at a time. As you continue walking, you notice the rhythm of your steps. Steady, unforced, present. Light shifts around you, not because anything changed, but because you're noticing where you are. Another insight settles in. Clarity doesn't come from thinking ahead. It comes from being here. Breathe in. Exhale slowly. Repeat softly. I'm grounding into this moment, trusting the next step will become clear. The path widens into an open space filled with warm morning light. You stand here supported, awake. Nothing is missing. Nothing needs to be rushed into place. A calm confidence begins to form. Not loud, not demanding, but steady and reliable. Another truth becomes clear. You don't need to feel perfect to move through the day well. Inhale fully. Exhale gently. Repeat in your mind, I'm showing up as I am, and that is enough to begin. Feel this intention settle into your body, into your chest, your posture, your sense of direction. Take one slow, nourishing breath in and a long, easy exhale. Repeat softly. I'm meeting today with presence, trusting my ability to respond. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this grounded clarity into your morning. This channel is for the days when your mind won't slow down. Save this space for yourself.